Did you know that 47% of consumers expect a page to load in under 2 seconds? According to Google, site speed is a decisive ranking factor, and today visitors leave a website if it isn't loaded in 3 seconds. Your customers expect a lot, and you must be able to deliver in order to succeed in your business. 5 Cloud Host was created with that in mind. You can have guaranteed blazing speed for your website and one less thing to worry about. Plus, 5 Cloud Host web hosting is now available at a fraction of what you currently pay yearly. Prices for 5 years of 5 Cloud Host web hosting starting from $47. That is less than what you pay today for each year of hosting. What's more, 5 Cloud Host is reliable, secure and easy to use. Find out how 5 Cloud Host achieves such impressive performance. Powerful servers boost your website's speed with 40 cores Intel Xeon CPU, 128 GB RAM, RAID-protected SSD storage, 10 gigabits per second internet connectivity. State-of-the-art cloud keeps your website online and will load it instantly from any corner of the world. 1 terabit per second network infrastructure. Cloudflare's CDN. Secure infrastructure with all data centers Tier 3 certified. Each server has its own firewall, WAF, anti-malware, and antivirus scanner. Backups are created daily for each account. Thanks to the powerful technology, 5 Cloud Host is also instantly activated and easy to use. It provides fully automated services, and it's ready to run with just a few clicks. Nonetheless, dedicated support is available 24/7, just in case you need help. There is no reason anymore to pay huge amounts month after month when you can get 5 years of blazing fast web hosting at a fraction of what you pay every year to your current host. 5 Cloud Host is now offering all the features you need at a special price, for a limited time only, when you buy the 5-year plan. All packages come with a 30-day money-back guarantee without any questions asked. Check out the pricing packages below this video in the description box. You can buy now a 5-year package for blazing fast web hosting with one single payment and start focusing on other aspects of your business. No need to worry about hosting anymore. So go ahead and click the link in the description box and get started today. To great success in all your ventures.